I'm back, everybody. In this video, I am going to show you how to add folders and different resources into your Schoology for you and your students. So the first thing I'm going to start with is adding a folder. On your screen, everything that you're going to need or anything that you can add will be in this Add Materials pull-down menu. So if you click on it, the first one is going to be Add a Folder. Click on this. And then folders are the purpose of the folder is just to organize all of your information instead of having it everywhere. So you're going to note the two things that you just need to do here are the title and a folder color if you want to change it. So let's say I'm going to name this one for parents or information for parents. Okay, put in my title, and then I can choose to change the color of the folder. Again, you don't have to do this. If you want to change it up a little bit, you can. Those are the two that you do, and then you hit the create button there. And you'll notice that the folder will pop up at the bottom. It'll just go to the bottom. And if you notice, I have two folders that are unpublished. That means that any student who gets into there just can't see what's in that folder. If you want to unpublish it, click on the gear, and then you would just do unpublish right here. Okay. So if you click on it, if you go into your folder for parents, right now the folder is empty. Let's say I want to add some information for parents here. There are many different ways that you can do this. The three that I found most helpful are adding an assignment, adding a discussion, and adding a page. For the add assignment, there is another screencast that will show you how to add the assignment. To add a page, you click on add a page, and what this is, it'll just give you a chance to put information in there that will be that they can actually see themselves. So for example, let's say I want to put teacher info. Okay, so I'm going to make this page teacher information, and so then I click in the box here. This is just like a Google Doc or Microsoft Word, whichever one you use. And I'm just going to say, you can reach me by email at my email address. Okay. And then you can put different things in here. I can, if anybody else is more interested, I can always show you how to do that. When you're done, you just click on the create button at the bottom. And it'll pop up here. So it'll kind of look like a newspaper here, but if you click on it, it will be it'll be whatever you typed into that page, and then they can see that there. Okay. Um, so and again, if I want to go back to that folder, I click on information for parents and adding materials. The other thing I really, really like is adding a discussion. This way you can post a question and the parents or the students could also respond to you. So I'm just going to add a discussion question here. Um, I'm just going to title it, How Can I Help? So that's the title of it. And then in the description box, that's where you're going to actually type you want to put the question that you want to ask them. So I'm just going to say, is there anything that I can do on my end to help um, make this a better experience? Okay. So something simple as that. I click create, and you'll notice that it also pops up here. So and when you click on that, you'll see the question, and then the students can go in and write a comment. If there's any other questions, those are the two that I like the most. If you're interested in any other ones, just let me know.